In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the chess.com shop for chess equipment from your account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from your chess.com home screen to the official shop where you can browse boards, pieces, clocks, and more. Let's keep this simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, log into your chess.com account. If you're already signed in, you're ready to go. Make sure you're on the main page after signing in so you can see the standard layout. For security, always sign in on the official site and avoid entering your credentials on any unfamiliar pages. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu. This is the vertical panel that holds the main sections of the site, like play, puzzles, learn, and more. Think of it as your launchpad for everything on chess.com. If you don't immediately see labels, hover your mouse over the icons and the names will appear, which can help you spot what you need faster. Next, move your cursor to the button labeled More. This is the gateway to additional features that aren't shown by default in the main list. Click on More or simply hover your mouse over it if a menu appears on hover. The key is to open the extended options without navigating away from the page you're on. Keep your mouse steady as the drop-down expands. You may see sections grouped by purpose. Look toward the items that aren't gameplay related. If you see a heading or area that implies miscellaneous or additional resources, that's where you want to keep your cursor. Staying hovered over the menu ensures it doesn't close unexpectedly while you look for the next option. From that drop-down, find and click Shop. This link takes you to the chess.com shop where you can explore chess equipment and accessories. Depending on your browser settings, the shop may open in the same tab or a new one. If it opens in a new tab, you can always switch back to chess.com with a single click. If it opens in the same tab, your back button will return you to the main site when you're finished browsing. That's all there is to it. Log in, locate the left-hand navigation, open the More menu, hover to keep it active, and choose Shop. If the interface ever looks a little different due to updates, remember the core idea is the same. Use the left menu, expand More, and select Shop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the official chess.com shop for your next chess upgrade.